So in today's video, I want to just emphasize the importance of getting good potting soil when you're sowing seeds. I bought a packet of potting compost from the local garden center, and I thought, I'm sure this is going to be better than my own compost. And so I went merrily and sowed seeds everywhere in my trays, and I'm so disappointed at how they turned out. So, case in point, I just want to show you how the difference between my own home made compost and that from the garden center. Now, it's not all of them from the garden center, because I have also bought others from people that I actually do know who supply the garden center, and although theirs was a little bit clayey, it did fine. The plants did fine, but sure, they've never done this badly. So these plants these are a lettuce, and they were sown on the 23rd of February, and then these ones were sown on the 15th of and this was sown in that shop, that store-bought compost. And then these ones are sowed in my own compost on the 15th of March. Now I need to prick them out, and then I'm going to put them in their own little cells. But just already you can see the difference in growth. I mean, it's like these ones should have a month on those ones, but I mean, they've actually started to just die. They just these tiddly little things. It's really so disappointing. And then these are radish, and these are kale, but I mean, these ones are also sowed on the 23rd of February, and these ones were sown in store-bought compost, and then this is in my own compost. And I mean, you can just see the difference. Even there must be some kind of nutrient deficiency in this, because it's got these funny little red lines or borders. They're just not growing. They're just not doing anything. Even my tomatoes. Now these ones, sure, you can actually see, when did I sow these? Oh yeah, also on the 23rd of February. Now tomatoes, the ones that have just volunteered in the garden, are loads bigger than these ones. So I'm going to have to repot all of these now. Even my little onions, they're struggling along, all in this. It looks, the store-bought compost, it looks as if it's just, I don't know what it is, wood chips? I don't know, wood shavings? There's hardly any nutrients in it. So really, if you make your own compost, I just can't imagine it can be anything worse than some of the stuff that you can buy. As long as you're making sure that you, almost like a good diet, you need to have a variety of things in your diet. You can't just eat one or two things. It's the same with the compost. You need to have a variety of things in the compost.